Hello, how you doing everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am doing a Kohl's summer plus size haul. What? What are you talking about? Yes, a Kohl's plus size haul. So, I got, of course, the invoice. I got a lot, and I got this in here too. For HelloFresh, $50 gift certificate. So I got a lot of cool things. I got shorts, tank tops, like a bathing suit top. So the first thing I got, and I have to show you, are these shorts. I'm telling you, these are amazing. These are size 2X. I got these so they'll be more comfortable. I don't know. I'm like a 2 to 3, but I'm basically a 2 in these because I cheated and I had 2 pairs of these and I already wore them, so they fit good. So I got these. These are really cute. These are from Croft and Borrow. Really, really adorable. So I got those. I got this cute top for swimming. Really, really adorable. And this is a 3X because I'm pretty big on top, so I want to be comfy. Look at how adorable that is. I'm loving it. Loving it. 3X. Love, love, love. It's really cute. Can't wait to try it on. This is a tank top. It was $16. This one's $16. I love this tank top. I need something nice for Florida and for the summer. Really, really adorable. So I got that. I got same Craft and Barrel. I must really like that brand. Is this tank top. Looks like a little nautical feel to it. Love, love. Really cute. Really, really adorable. This is another top. I needed a lot of tank tops because I don't have anything nice. Everything looks like it should be painting in. Alright, so this is another tank top. This is really, really, hey! I got the cat. Shelby, move, move, move. Sorry about that. Cat is in the way. Cute, another tank top. And they're all around $16. So, there you go. And, oh, look at all this. This is another tank top. Really cute. I can't wait to try these on for you. This is a mega, mega haul. Look at how cute. Love it. All from the same brand, Craft and Barrel. They have I like Craft and Barrel. They really do have a lot of nice stuff. This is not. This is from Apartment 9. This is another Tanktini. I call, that's what basically they're called. This is super cute. I do have dark this color swim trunks, like that color. Look at how adorable. So cute. Look at, woo, really cute. Love, love. That one I will try on too for you. I'm trying to get all the shirts first. Shirts and stuff. So what I'm going to do is try on all the shirts first for you. Look at how cute. Love this. Very staple pieces. Staple pieces in here. And I got this pair of shorts. It's the kind that feels like a pair of pants. It's not denim. It feels like, regular slacks. So this is like more with the pockets. See the pockets. 2X. All these that I got are 2X. Really, really cute. So those are like more of pants. What is this? I forgot kind of what I ordered too, so. Right, and this is a black tank. Loving. That's Crack and Barrel. I got these shorts. I have a pair I bought in Walmart years and years ago. Love them. Same, it looks pretty much the same as the, I just love the stretch in them. Those are 2X. Now this is something new for me. I am trying Levi's. These I got in a 2X because they're a good brand. These are Levi's with the Levi logo. Really cute. So I want to be up with the styles. And it has like the cuff. I wanted to try those out. And from this, I don't know what brand this is, actually. And these are so cute. Oh, these are from Levi too. These have like little tiny roses. Really, really cute. And this is the back. And this is a 2X too. So let's try on these, okay? Shall we? So let's get on to it. Hey, I am back. So I put on the tank with the flowers. It is a little big here. It is. This is a. What size is this? Oh, this is a 1X. Huh. A 1X. I thought I got a 2X, but you know what? It's cotton. It will shrink. So look at how nice. I like the back. This, like I said, will shrink. A lot of my stuff says so. I'm going to keep it because you can pull it down like this and it'll still look fine. That's no big deal. So I like this. Really, really cute floral. So this is a 1X, and apparently Kohl's stuff runs a little big. So 1X, and I really wear sometimes a 2X in a lot of stuff too. So I'm lucky I got the 1X. So let's try on another one. Now this is actually a 2X. It's still not bad, but it will shrink. I just love the nautical feel. Really, really gorgeous. Great for a trip. I can even wear this on the plane, and it will, and it's very, really nice. I like it long too. It's very long. So definitely I'm going to be keeping this. It's a little more baggier because it is a 2X, but that's okay. Throw it in the dryer, it will shrink. So I'm going to go try on another one. Let's. Alright, this one again is a 2X. I just love the black with the turquoise color. Really, really cute. And it's so comfortable. This is so soft. I like it. The shirt's on the bigger side only because of the bust area. I am big, so I don't like it too tight. So again, thumbs up. It's a keeper. Okay, so I'm going to stand a little closer. I just love this polka dotted. I noticed that I'm not standing too close, but I'm going to start standing a little closer. It's polka dotted, really cute. I noticed this is a little more fitted. It is a 1X, but I love it. And I am going to keep this. So this is a really, really nice staple. Love it. Pink, light pink with polka dots. Alright, this is a 1X. Love it. It's brown. It is black with white, a great staple. I'm noticing the 1X is more fittable than the 2X. I don't know what happened. I have no clue what I did on ordering, but anyways, I'll still take the 2X. I don't care. I love it. So this is the 1X. Love it. And I'm keeping it. Okay, the last tank top of the evening. It is a 2X. It is big. I can tell the difference. It's not as fitted. But I do love it. And I will keep it. No big deal. I'll just use it. So this is the last 2X. So I'm going to keep this on and try on the shorts that I have. Alright? So let's get on with the shorts. Okay. These are 2X. I'm beginning to think I gained a little weight back. Because when I tried on the other ones, they weren't as tight. So they are a little tight. But, be honest, I don't want to go to a 3X. And they are still comfortable even so. So, because the other, I feel like I bloated up right here. So, I am going to keep them because they are comfy. Regardless, I'll just have to start exercising. Start, doing kickboxing or something. I don't know. Something I gotta do. This is crazy. But anyways, let's try on the next pair. See how they fit. But I'm going to keep these. These are the denim with the stretchy. Really, really stretchy. Has the side pockets. Really, really love them. A little bit short. You can tell, but I'll wear them anyway. So let's try on the other ones. I'm a little disappointed in myself. I should have gone a 3X in these, but I am going to lose weight before I leave. I have 1 more month. I can do this. All I needed is to lose 10 pounds and these will fit. They are a little on the tight side. They still fit. They're still loose here. They're not skin tight. And they're stretchy. So I'm going to definitely lose the weight. I love them. They have little cute flowers on them. Black. Definitely, this is my first pair of Levi's in a long time. I have to lose weight for them. And I will, because I'm going to do it. Sit-ups. That's the key. But I do love them. I'm going to keep them. So they do have pockets in the back. Pockets just like Levi's. And a little coin pocket here. What the heck? I flicked that out. What the heck? Alright, let's try the other ones on. Okay, these are again tight on me. I love them, but they're like a pant material. Like a regular pant. They are tight. I'm either going to take these back or I'm just going to, like I say, try to lose more weight and fit into them. But I do love them though. See, they're a little tight. So you could tell right here. So we'll see. So these are 2X, but like you say, different brands, different fits. So this is how this fits. Look at my underwear showing. You can see, very tight, but they're not like, okay, I can't wear them, but I think, going to try to lose the weight to get into them. Because all I have to do is lose 10 pounds or so, even 5, and they'll fit comfy. So let's try to do that. I got 2 items on. I got the denim shorts, stretchy, and I got the tank teeny on. I'm seeing this is a 3X. My boobage is underneath here. If it was right here, look it. So I'm still going to keep it because I can, at the beach or the pool, it don't matter if you show a lot, but I'm going to just kind of make it more nicer for here. So it is kind of on the small side, but it does fit. You don't want it too big anyways for the pool, but this is a 3X. I love it. Really, really love it. But I will be keeping it because, like it says, I could put it down where it's supposed to be and it'll be really showing some cleavage as it is already. So, and the shorts, this is cute together actually. I love, love, love The coloring, loving it. So I'm the type I will sacrifice a little weird feeling, you know, especially when you're at the beach and stuff. Who cares? You can pull it down and it doesn't matter. But I love it. And I'm sorry about the lighting in here. It is dim outside, but for some reason my camera's going in and out on the lightage. Why? I don't know. But it is crazy. But I like this. And I'm going to try on 2 more items for you, and I'll be right back. Okay, this one fits way, 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 way better. Way, way better. This is actually where it's supposed to be. Really, really pretty. I love this. Really, really nice. And I love the Levi look. This fit's not bad. It's a little on the tight side, but I'm going to be working out to lose some weight. So I'm going to go swimming and look good in my bathing suit. Alright, so that is it. That is on my Kohl's Summer Curve plus size haul. I hope you liked it, and there is more to come where that is. So if you haven't already subscribed, hit that like button, and don't forget the little bell in the corner of the like button, and so you the subscribe button, and so you know when I post, and share it with your friends. They might like some styles. Alright, I love you all. See you in the next one.